Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. So I just want to be honest with you guys because I know I said I was going to post videos on Fridays, like makeup videos on Fridays, but sometimes I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to sit down and talk and do makeup and film it. So today I just recorded myself doing my makeup. So I'm going to have that clip in here. That was Coda. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. So this video is going to be just a sped through look on this look, and it's supposed to be kind of like a get ready with me to go to the grocery store, and also it is mask approved. So I did like kind of a bolder eye look, and then I'll show you how it looks with my mask on. So super cute. I made this mask, so I'm not a pro by any means, but I watched a video. So actually, I can link the video that I watched. I'll link the video in my description bar of the one I watched to make that mask. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do like this type of video, let me know, because I liked filming this way. Sometimes I don't have things to talk about, especially right now when we're really not doing much other than like cleaning and going on walks. There's not a lot to talk about while I'm doing makeup, so this was just kind of fun for me. So yeah, thanks. I will kind of now go back to wearing no makeup.
That you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
You're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep. I can feel the tension. Another bottle of this wine, I'll be up in your space, loving affection. Ain't got nothing on me, no, that's not what I need. Maybe on another day I'd encourage you to make me stay, but baby, I'm just trying to numb my brain and wrap my head around this whole thing.
kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep. So I pick up my clothes and be on my way. Leave you a note saying I can't stay. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep. I think I learned my lesson. You can love somebody else until you're loving yourself. I need some direction before we dive into these sheets. Maybe on another day I'd encourage you to make me stay, but baby, I'm just trying to numb my brain and wrap my head around this whole thing. When you're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards into your bed. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep. So I pick up my clothes and be on my way. Leave you a note saying I can't stay. Baby, you are all I need, but I don't wanna dive too deep, too deep. When you're kissing my neck